Are you a solo female traveler looking for the safest cities to visit? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to a global adventure where safety meets discovery. We're about to embark on a journey, highlighting the 5 safest cities in the world for solo female travelers. Each city, a unique gem, excels in different aspects of safety, from health to digital, infrastructure to environmental and personal security. Traveling solo can be a thrilling experience, but safety is always a top priority. It's not just about avoiding danger, but also about feeling confident and secure in your surroundings. That's why we've researched and identified cities that not only offer a rich travel experience, but also prioritize your safety. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the stunning harbor of Sydney, from the vibrant cityscape of Singapore to the multicultural metropolis of Toronto, we'll explore how these cities are setting the bar for safety. So buckle up as we take you on a journey around the world to visit these cities. Our first stop is Tokyo, the capital city of Japan. Welcome to a place where ancient tradition meets cutting-edge technology. Tokyo, a city that thrives in the future while honoring its past. It's no surprise that this metropolis scores high on the Safe City Index, especially when it comes to digital security. With its advanced technology, Tokyo has created an environment where safety and security are paramount. Now let's talk about Tokyo's public transportation. Efficient, punctual, and clean, it's a system that is admired and envied around the world. Whether you're navigating the city by subway, bus, or the iconic Shinkansen bullet train, you can rest assured that you're in good hands. But it's not just about the tech and transportation. Tokyo boasts one of the lowest crime rates among major cities worldwide. The strong sense of community and respect for law and order make it a haven for those traveling alone. The city's residents take pride in their safety record, and it's this collective responsibility that contributes to Tokyo's low crime rate. In this city, you'll find a seamless blend of tradition and technology. From the ancient temples and shrines nestled among skyscrapers, to the high-tech vending machines that dispense everything from drinks to umbrellas, Tokyo is a city that surprises and delights at every turn. It's a place where you can lose yourself in a crowd at Shibuya Crossing, one of the busiest intersections in the world, or find tranquility in the serene beauty of the Shinjuku-gyoen National Garden. It's a city where you can shop for the latest gadgets in Akihabara, or soak in the history at the Imperial Palace. Tokyo, with its blend of tradition and technology, offers a safe and enriching experience for solo female travelers. Next, we fly down under to Sydney, Australia. A city that's as iconic as it is safe, boasting of impressive infrastructure security and health security that's hard to rival. Imagine walking along the sun-kissed shores of Bondi Beach, or exploring the bustling lanes of the Rocks without a worry on your mind. That's Sydney for you. This harbor city is a melting pot of cultures teeming with friendly locals who are always ready with a warm smile and a helping hand. Sydney's vibrant culture, from its world-class art scene to its mouth-watering food markets, is a testament to its diverse population. It's a city that celebrates diversity, making it feel like home no matter where you're from. But let's not forget the city's stunning landscapes. From the architectural marvel that is the Sydney Opera House to the sprawling beauty of the Blue Mountains, Sydney is a visual feast. And the best part? You can enjoy these sights knowing that you're in one of the safest cities in the world. Health and safety are top priorities in Sydney. The city's efficient public transportation, well-maintained roads, and state-of-the-art healthcare facilities ensure that your journey is as safe as it is memorable. It's not just about being safe, it's about feeling safe, and that's where Sydney truly shines. Sydney, with its laid-back lifestyle and stunning vistas, offers a safe and enjoyable journey for solo female explorers. Our next destination is the cosmopolitan city-state of Singapore. Nestled at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula, this lion city roars with a vibrant mix of cultures, cuisines, and architectural styles. Singapore's reputation as a safe haven for travelers is well-deserved, with the city scoring exceptionally high on the Personal Safety Index. This is largely due to the city's strict laws and robust law enforcement, ensuring a safe environment for residents and visitors alike. It's a place where you can wander around at any time of the day or night without worry, making it a perfect destination for solo female travelers. But Singapore isn't just about safety. It is a city that prides itself on its cleanliness. The city's streets and public spaces are impeccably maintained, making it a pleasure to explore on foot. This cleanliness extends to the city's food scene as well, where hawker centers offer a smorgasbord of delicious and hygienic local cuisines. The city-state's diverse culture is another key highlight. A melting pot of ethnicities, Singapore offers a blend of Chinese, Malay, Indian, and Western influences. This multicultural mix is evident in everything from the city's food and festivals to its architecture and arts scene. In essence, Singapore is a city that charms with its blend of modernity and tradition, cleanliness and vibrancy, and above all, an unwavering commitment to safety. Singapore, with its multicultural charm and high safety standards, ensures a secure and memorable journey for solo female globetrotters. We now head to the Great White North to Toronto, Canada. This city, known for its environmental security, is a shining example of how urban planning and nature can exist in harmony. Toronto boasts an extensive network of parks, trails, and conservation areas that not only enhance the city's beauty, but also contribute to the well-being of its residents and visitors alike. But it's not just Toronto's commitment to the environment that makes it stand out. This metropolis is a vibrant tapestry of cultures from around the world. With over 200 ethnicities represented, Toronto is a true multicultural hub, where diversity is celebrated and every culture is welcomed with open arms. What makes Toronto even more appealing is its lively arts scene. From world-class museums and art galleries to music festivals and theater productions, this city offers a plethora of cultural experiences that cater to a wide range of interests. And let's not forget the people of Toronto. Known for their friendliness and hospitality, Torontonians are always willing to lend a helping hand, making it a comforting place for solo travelers. This multicultural metropolis, with its environmental consciousness and welcoming nature, offers a unique blend of safety and cultural immersion that is hard to find elsewhere. Toronto, with its cultural diversity and environmental friendliness, promises a safe and engaging journey for solo female voyagers. Lastly, we cross the Atlantic to Copenhagen, Denmark. A city that's not just known for its enchanting cobblestone streets and colorful waterfront, but also for its overall safety. With an impressive safety score in the Safe City Index, Copenhagen ensures that your solo travel journey is as secure as it is exciting. Now, let's talk about biking. In Copenhagen, biking isn't just a mode of transport, it's a way of life. The city's well-planned bike lanes and bike-friendly culture make it an absolute joy for those who love to explore on two wheels. And the cherry on top? The friendly locals. Copenhageners are known for their welcoming attitude and willingness to lend a helping hand, making solo travelers feel right at home. So, if you're planning your next solo travel adventure, consider these 5 cities. They're not just beautiful, vibrant, and exciting, but they also prioritize your safety and well-being. Remember, adventure is out there, and these cities ensure that it's safe too. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights. Safe travels, everyone.